ruin all this frustration?
Not to mention a duck.
Robot bounty hunter.
Well, we can't just stay here and be defeated by that big frog. We have to do something. Our lives are more important than trick or treating. Huh?
What? Who?
Huh?
It's the